Haven't had a chance to go magnet fishing. I see some stuff down there we might be able to get. I don't know. I have to avoid those rocks down there. I see some stuff. Let's hope I don't catch this on the guardrail. Anywho, I'll see you on the first throw. Thanks for tuning in, by the way. Appreciate all your likes, shares, subscribes. There is some wood down there, so we want to avoid trying to get stuck. To avoid the city telling me not to do this. Water is cold today. We got some hot rocks. I have my gloves, but every time they get wet, the water's wicked cold on your hands. Oh, my rope got hung up. There's nothing there. The guardrail's pretty high. Here's hoping we don't get stuck, huh, folks? I will say, though, the city does a pretty darn good keeping the waterways clean. Right now I'm in the current. I really don't want to get stuck between those rocks. I see something down there that I want to get. Thought I was picking up something iron down there. There's something right there I want to get. Shit, stuck in a freaking rock. Yeah, I knew it. Wedged in there pretty good. That sucks, and that's awful deep to go in. All right, well, I was taking a quick break. I did get stuck, got unstuck. I was talking to a nice gentleman. He saw me magnet fishing. Still, I wouldn't want to go in the water. It's all rusty. It's got to be rusted iron and crap. Yeah, I can see some washers. Let's see. I don't think there's anything in here that's fun. Yeah? I said I don't think there's anything in here that's fun.
The kids probably messed it up. I really don't feel terrible. I seem to see kids do it mostly in the summertime.
Yep, just a lot of rust. Yeah, I guess I'll just go around number 1 pond. I like to find things. This is boring.
Yeah. I ride, so that's my getaway. What's the ride? I was just thinking about doing that.
It is a very nice day for it.
Yes.
Well, it was a pleasure speaking with you.
Nice talking to you. You have a good day.
Yeah, absolutely. You too. A little too much rope on that one. Bugs. Sprayed myself with mosquito and tick spray. Like rock. Something right there. And I missed it. Damn it. I wear too much stuff for my job and personally for myself. A little. Can you see it? It's magnetized. Don't think garnets are magnetized. Throw it in our bucket. Hopefully we don't lose it. Jerk. Make it count. Got some hot rocks. Crossing my line. No trash out there. Be nice to get the kids involved in doing this. Keep them out of trouble for the summertime. A lot of people's fish here. Hot rocks. Finding this metallic red things. Orange. I think I see some trash. Oh yeah, that wasn't magnetic. I remember. I wouldn't pick it up. You know, it's funny, it kind of looks like a drainage hole. Drainage cover. Let me see before I throw it in. Nope. Huh. Damn bugs. See if we grab it. I think we got it. I think we got something. I tried to get this last time. Sweet. See if we can get that other part. Clean up the pond. There we go. Clean that up. Left me bucket. Sweet. Been wanting to get that too. Can't really grab on the plastic with this. I'm doing pretty darn good there. Get some more trash out. And a hot rock. Treasure. I think I lost it. I think I lost it. Look at that rock. It's shaped just like a heart. Oh, that's sweet. Yep. Oh, I thought that was a rusted fish hook. Check that out. We'll have to keep that. What are you doing? I don't have any food. I don't have any food today. I'll probably get in trouble anyways. Get going so I can throw the magnet. Put a kit.